Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware. Make sure the case and AirPods have meaningful charge. Low power can block pairing. Once done, forget the AirPods on your phone or Mac to clear cached profiles. Then, place both buds in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, and open it. Press and hold the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber then white. This forces a full hardware reset and clears stuck connection states so you can pair fresh. Now you proceed to pair. With the case lid open and the AirPods blinking white, bring them close to the target device. Make sure Bluetooth and any quick pair features are enabled. On iOS, you should see a connect prompt. Tap to connect and follow any on-screen instructions. This re-establishes the link using a fresh profile. If you see no prompt, toggle Bluetooth off then on, wait 5 seconds and try again. This clears transient radio conflicts that commonly finish by confirming function. Play audio and make a quick call to verify both sound and microphone behavior, and check left/right balance in accessibility settings. Make sure your phone or computer runs the latest OS, because firmware updates for AirPods are pushed via an iPhone and can fix compatibility bugs. If problems persist, reset network settings on your device or try pairing with a different phone to isolate the issue. This final troubleshooting step reveals whether the fault lies with the AirPods or the original host device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.